heading over to my buddy's house. We have some plans to go get some Chick-fil-A. Don't know, I don't think we're gonna ride there though. We've been riding all week. Oh yeah, dude. So one of my neighbors, I say neighbors, he's like down the street. I saw his V4R parked outside. His little duckety V4R. I'm gonna see if it's outside. Look, there it is, there it is, there it is. Ooh. Yeah, that thing is nice, man. Look at that. Oh, that thing is beautiful, man. Holy mullet, bro. It's got a better mullet than me. Look at that. To be honest, I'm glad it's cooling down. I'm so ready for riding weather, dude. Here in Texas, like, we just got done with the 100-degree days, and I mean, granted, it's like 90 outside probably, but 90, you can definitely tell a difference between 90 and 104 and 105. I changed my resolution. I bumped up to 4K 24 frames a second. So we're about to see how this turns out. Dude, honestly though, with that sun, bright as shit, but look in front of us, it's actually a good view. I have my camera going today. To be honest, ever since I got a GoPro and started vlogging, I could give two shits about getting content on my 360. It's just so much more fun vlogging. I was thinking about moving in those apartments right there, but dude, just for like a 700 square foot apartment, they're wanting 1,500. Hell no. I do not make enough money for that. All my money goes into my bike. This outlet mall is so freaking annoying. Ever since this mall has got here, it's been here for like a lot of years. Don't know the exact amount. A lot of years though. But like near holidays and stuff, dude, this road right here is freaking stupid busy. And the thing is you don't even like get good deals there. They're always out of stock of everything. It's not even worth going there. Stay in your lane, buddy. At least you're not on your phone. What was that dude doing? Oh hell no, I have to wait and all this. I don't like this position I'm in right now. I feel so vulnerable. Davita. Emergency room. This neighborhood has gotten so freaking populated now. Restaurants, people, cars. Oh, they waved to me. Hi. Oh shit, Slotskis. Set one. Oh, come on. Bro, these sensors are complete garbage. They'd never pick us up. Like me and my buddy, every time we ride, even with like two of us being on the sensor, nope. Not today. Nice stop. Nice stop. Okay, you did good. Granted, there was a car coming, but you did good. Bro, not gonna lie, Teslas, they are nice as fuck. But it's always the stupidest people driving Teslas. Like, Tesla drivers just irk me the wrong way. Oh, that hoe dirty as hell. That's nice. Oh, imagine just like you're right into the fucking water, dude. And this one sounds like. Execution flawless. Bro, I feel like a true content creator now. I got the moto vlog set up. I got the Insta 360 set up. Oh, my back hurts. I even got a selfie stick. My boy. He let the dogs out right now. You got the dogs out!
Yeah!